Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going on a little adventure, and the adventure is a couple errands, and I'm gonna go see one of my friends. I'm just trying to get used to vlogging a little bit with the camera, so I'm trying to bring it with me everywhere so I can get a little bit of, you know, whatever's going on in the day of the life. So bear with me here. I'm not on the POV angle, but I do have it in my hand, so pretty freely, you know, I can move around. And my SD card is showing that I have 9 minutes and 20 seconds. Oh boy. Thank you so much for that. Was that Biggie? Who was that? Oh, it was Tupac. Jeez, I should probably know that. It's probably illegal, but anyway. I lost my train of thought. Oh dude, I got like 9 minutes on this SD card, so hopefully we can fit all the clips into this little bit, but we'll see what we can do. Gonna clear off some snow here and then get going, pick up some coffee, go run this errand, and then I'm gonna go meet my friend. He's got a super sick whip, so keep you guys posted when I see him. No day is complete without McDonald's. Can you see the golden arches? There they are. Man, I think I have coffee from here like every day. I just tried to go through the drive-thru and my window's frozen. And I learned this lesson actually on my Civic. I used to just kind of like force it down, like, you know, just press it until it goes down. But then I realized that the rubber that's along here, it ruined it. So I'm trying to take care of this car a little bit more than I did with my Civic. So I'm just gonna walk my ass inside and get the coffee instead of drive-thruing it like I do every day, you know? Change is good sometimes. Change is good. Coffee secured. Man, every time I look at this car, shit is so nice. I'm like in awe, which is I think probably a good feeling to have when you own the car. So wicked time every time I get in. I was telling my brother when we were looking for cars, that video you guys saw last time, that dude, after a long days of work, getting in this, listening to some music, driving home, it just all makes everything worth it. I'm a big advocate of getting the car you want, man. So whatever you guys are doing right now, and like whatever car you're working towards, don't settle. Just, you know, get the thing that you want. Maybe if it takes, you know, saving another 6 months, 12 months, whatever, you know what I mean? Just get the car you want. I guarantee it, you're gonna be 20 times happier, and that stat is coming from me. So yo, I just opened my coffee here and I'm like, what the hell, where's the milk? I usually get like a 1 milk 1 sugar, and this is just a straight black coffee. I feel like my brother now. I gotta drink this shit. I'm not a huge fan of black coffee. I know he is. But man, we'll see. Also, look at this thing, man. Brand new Camry as a driving instructor car. It's pretty cool. Triple D plate on there. That little sign looks a little wonky. Why is it all the way to the right? Looks kind of weird. I was like driving up to it and I'm like, what the hell is that? A pizza? Like a Domino's delivery van or what? Or not delivery van, delivery car. But yeah, anyway, pretty cool, pretty cool. I'll give you a review of what black coffee tastes like as a regular coffee drinker soon. Okay, first sip. Okay. Shit tastes like straight ass, dude. Oh my god. I don't enjoy that one bit, personally. I don't know how my brother does it, but all the power to you, man. I'm gonna make it through. I'm still gonna finish it, but damn. Not a huge fan of black coffee. And if you are, kudos to you, man. You guys are part of the 1%. Oh man, you think this Tesla guy knows his tire's flat? Holy, that thing is low on air. Alright, I got an update for y'all with the black coffee. Honestly, after like 6-7 sips, I don't hate it. I don't hate it. Am I being transferred onto team black coffee in real time? Find out. I'll let you guys know next week what I end up getting. So one thing I noticed with carrying this camera instead of having it like strapped to my head is that it's a lot easier for me to just get random clips. I don't have to always be on, if that makes sense, in the sense of like being able to talk. I can take a break and sort of just, you know, say what I want when I want, instead of trying to just fit it in there or fill gaps or something like that. But anyway, I'm finding more and more reasons to kind of just hold the camera and enjoy driving. Yo, does anybody else kind of feel like, damn, I'm about to run that yellow, but anybody else sort of feel like the new Mercedes design is like a little too dull or boring? Like this GLC in front of me is like a 24, 25, I want to say, and I'm not liking it, man. I'm not digging the vibe here. I don't know what they're going for. That RS, the Camaro over there is looking nice, but yeah, I think Mercedes is going a little too soft with their design here. These lights look like S-Class lights almost, if I like look at it from like 21, that new body shape that they have. So I don't know if they're trying to subtly include S-Class kind of features in like lower models, but I don't think it really works on this car. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but personally, not a huge fan of this new design that they got going on. Just made it to the meetup spot. It's my dad's store. He wants to get some furniture, my friend. So Pop's Mustang looking nice. If you guys want furniture, yo, holla at Meta's Furniture Gallery in Mississauga. Drop him a 5-star review. I think my dad would appreciate that. Support small business. My friend should be coming here soon. We're gonna get him some furniture today, and then we're gonna go from there. The boys here in the RS3. Jeez, if you guys remember one of my old videos on the channel back in 2020, I remember picking up what do you call it, RS3 with Arjun, and we went in Andrew's car, and there he is. What's up, Andrew? How are you, dude? Good. Let's rock and roll. Chipotle, let's get in here. Let's get a little warm start here in the back. Yes. Very lovely. Very lovely. Welcome, sir.
Welcome.
Let's go. We got the Yin Yang RX 350s there, looking beautiful.
The white one might be a premium. Look at the wheels.
Oh, 100%. This guy's on Summers though, the guy on the right. Yeah. Both from Aaron Park Lexus. We love that. We love that. Also a VinFast over there. Very cool. We want to know who buys VinFast, so let us know in the comments below. The boys are loaded up on the Chipotle. Big downvote on the spoon there. But chips, tortillas. What is it? Smoked brisket? You got the same?
Yeah.
Smoked brisket, guac, yada yada yada. So we're gonna eat it. And my dad's gonna have Chipotle for the first time today, so I'm gonna leave some of that for him to try. Exciting day to be a dad today. Got the Chipotle for dad. He's gonna enjoy it and enjoy it for the first time. Dude, I had Chipotle after like 4 years, and I gotta say, it was 10 out of 10. I'm gonna start having this more often. Good. He's gotta do a little hard park beside the whip. Okay. Furniture shopping time. Let's go. Create some distance. And then we have a little venue here. Andrew was kind enough to let us behind the wheel of this thing. Super fun car. Let's see if... Oh, look at that. That's an individual M4, right? That's a purple plum color. And we're already at cruising speeds. God, why couldn't it be faster and longer? The turbo noises on this. Very nice. Look at this thing. That's gorgeous, man. The M4 Comp. Alrighty, y'all. Hope you guys enjoyed that little daily vlog. And you know, driving the RS3 right there. That was a cool thing in the day. But hope you guys have a wonderful day. Catch you guys next week. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let me know if you guys enjoyed this kind of content. You know what I mean? Just a little vlog in the day. Again, I had a blast making it. So hopefully I can continue doing this and get you guys some more videos, man. Cheers. Have a good week ahead, y'all. Bye.